Solve the equation. Solution. Two and a half equals to 10 divided by 3x plus 10. Now the first thing for us to do is to convert the mixed number at the left hand side to an improper fraction. 2 times 2, that is 4. 4 plus 1, that is 5. So we have 5 divided by 2 at the left hand side to be equals to 10 divided by 3x plus 10 at the right hand side. So the next thing for us to do is to cross multiply. We cross multiply. Then what do we have? We have 5 into bracket 3x plus 10 to be equals to 2 into bracket 10. Now the next thing is to expand the bracket. Expanding the bracket, 5 times 3x. We have what? 15x. Then that's in 5 times 10. What do we have? That is 50. And 2 times 10, that's 20. So the next thing is to collect the like terms. We have 15x equals to, so 50 and 20 are like terms. Now we are going to move plus 50 to the right. Then when you move plus 50 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 50. Now 15x equals to 20 minus 50. We are taking away bigger number from smaller number. 20 minus 50 is what? Minus 30. So the next thing for us to do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. And what is the coefficient of x here? 15. So we are dividing both sides by 15. That will be minus 30 divided by 15. Then 15 here 1, 15 here 1. So x equals to what? 30 divided by 15, we have 2. So minus 30 divided by 15 equals to minus 2. Hence, the solution is x equals to minus 2. Thank you.